guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today I'm going to show you how to get your FRS going from sounding like this to this. Alright guys, so today we're doing an exhaust install on the FRS. I have went with the Invidia N1 Exhaust full catback system for the FRS with the blue titanium tips, which I thought were pretty cool. But today we're going to be putting that thing on, going this from sounding like a Prius to hopefully the Subie rumble that I so desire. I know you got to put unequal length headers on, which will probably be next, but we're doing this today to get the sound a good base to where we should start with the noise. But we got a blue brother right over there, but for now we're gonna go get lunch real quick, and we'll do some flybys with stock exhaust, some revs, and of course the startup that you heard at the beginning of the video. So we'll go through stock, exhaust install, and then what it sounds like. So hope you guys are excited. Let's do this thing. All right guys, this is what the stock exhaust sounds like, startup and revs on the Scion FRS. It's pretty much a Prius. Not very loud, right? But hopefully today we're going to change that with the Invidia N1 Exhaust. So I don't know if we're going to do a flyby because it's very anticlimactic with the exhaust on in this car. So I think we're just going to go straight to the unboxing of the exhaust and putting it on the car. I'm so excited. Let's do this. Alright guys, we teleported to our place where I guess we're working on all the car parts now. We got the box. Let's rip it open. I haven't gone past here yet. We got lots. Oh, we got all the bolts and another sticker I can add to the back of my windshield. So we'll put these over here, and up all the way. Get this stuff out. And we got the good stuff. So this comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, I think just 4 parts, and then I don't know what these are. It'll probably say. We got these things and all this stuff. So pretty nice packaging. Got their name all over it. All the things are bubble wrapped, and the tips are protected with a little cardboard thing at the end. So I'm hyped. So I guess before we even put the car up, we're gonna assemble this exhaust, throw the car up on the blocks that I just bought, which are over there, and then we'll get the old one off, the new one on, and we'll see how it sounds. Let's do it. Alright guys, I have unwrapped all the parts. It has come with a big pile of plastic to go with it, but we have everything out of the wrappers. I think it looks pretty good. I do like the whole stainless steel design. I think it's titanium. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I know the tips are, and the tips are the burnt blue, so it looks like I'm gonna shoot flames, but hopefully we will actually be shooting flames in the near future. So now that this is unraveled, we're going to go ahead and put the car up on the blocks and then take the exhaust off. So here we go. Alright guys, so under the car update, we just got the 2 bolts out from the mid pipe, I believe it's called, And now we're just going to get all the hangers off, and then I'll just throw the new exhaust up under here, and we should be good to go. My battery's about to die, so it may go to iPhone quality pretty soon, so pray for me. Alright guys, after a lot of hard work, the Invidia N1 exhaust is installed onto the FRS. You can see the big old fat platinum tips. We may have to cut this diffuser off or get a carbon diffuser in the future so they poke out a little bit more, but without further ado, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's see how the FRS sounds with the Invidia N1 exhaust. Awesome. There it is, guys. Listen to that thing purr. The exhaust is still new right now, so we have to give it a little while so it can open up and be its true form. But all I smell right now is gas and exhaust. So we're gonna let it go for a little bit, get it off these jacks. And I can't believe it. It's so amazing. I love it so much. Invidia, you made such an amazing exhaust. We're gonna let it chill for a little bit, open up, and then we're gonna go rip it down the road. So let me clean up all this stuff, mess we made, and yeah, I can't wait. Let's do this. All right, guys. Now we couldn't officially say we have the Invidia exhaust on the car without putting the sticker on. So we're gonna line that up just right. Pretty sure that's correct. And then here we go. All right, guys, I don't really know where we left off, but we're on the way to do the revs, flybys, and startup on the new Invidia N1 exhaust. As you can tell, it's on the car. I've driven around with it on for about a day now, and it sounds really good. Inside, there's a little bit of a drone, like at the lower RPMs, but you can totally drive, and we've been having conversation non-stop for a couple days with this thing driving around. So it's pretty good. I do like it. It sounds very, very similar to how it was when it was straight piped, or just took the exhaust off, but instead of the sound coming out of the gear shifter right next to you, it's coming out of the back, which is what I wanted. I think I even said that in the video where I took the exhaust off. So I'm very, very pleased with this exhaust so far. So let's head over to our little filming area where we do our flybys and see how this thing sounds from the outside, because I haven't even heard it yet from the outside, so you may get to drive. Alright guys, we've made it to where we film all our shenanigans and everything, so we're gonna see what this thing sounds like. Start up, rev, and then I guess I'm just gonna fly by under here and maybe do a donut. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. But here's a startup and a rev on the Invidia N1 exhaust. As you can tell, it's a very bassy tone. I don't know if the camera is picking it up as good as it's coming out, but it's very, very bassy. There's a little bit of drone on the highway, but I think it's perfect for what this car is. And with some unequal length headers, catless of course, will be a flame spitting monster that's loud and proud in no time. But the Spec-D headlights look so good on this car, and now with the exhaust, it sounds as good as it looks. So let's hear what this thing sounds like flying by. Alright, so I'm feeling kind of crazy and there's nobody around here, so don't tell my mom. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We got a little crazy there, but I hope you did like the stock, what it sounded like with the rev startup, and then when we took the exhaust off, and the new one with the revs, the startups, and of course the flybys and the donuts. So hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We got plenty more FRS content to come, and also I want to know, everyone's saying I need wheels and tires to go with the wing. So Leave some brands of the wheels that I should look at in the comment section below, and I'll get to shopping. So, hope you guys liked it. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.